All right, we're starting the day out with some sparks here.
Huh?
We're starting the day out with sparks.
Yeah.
You got it all moved. Can't even tell you moved it.
Nope.
So this is Blue Bayou. Remade the transmission cross member. So we're good there. Get ready to set it back down in here and throw the body on it.
Yep.
And then move ahead.
Moving forward.
All right. She's going back on. Close?
No. Right there.
Coming down. We'll get close enough. Let's get it on there. Start putting some of these motors and transmissions and all these random parts together, so we got parts in a pile. Well, good. Now we can legitimately get all the running boards and fenders on this, get it mocked up. Once we know we like it, I can go ahead and cut it right in there, move that back a little bit. That'd be a deal. Looks like we got plenty of room there to get by the idler. It'll be close, but
There we go.
all right.
It should be close.
Next. So once we get fenders figured out where they go, we need to get the brake pedal pushed up there and get the steering column in. And then Big Dave. All right, so there's Fast Eddie. We ain't had you featured for a while. Everybody forgot about you. Even.
Oh, wow.
We got a loose coon around
we
here.
have a coon. Yeah, we have a coon. Nice. It was in my office.
No good.
On my
Somebody
desk.
left the door open.
Yeah.
Oh, be darned.
So we're coon hunting.
Well, he fell through back there. He fell through them ceiling tiles.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, right on one of my seats in there.
Uh-oh.
Foam and insulation everywhere in there.
All right. Well, body's back on. Motor's back. Moving ahead instead of back. All right. Are you the motor man now?
I'm the motor man.
You like that better than being the body man?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this Rowan's motor.
Canadian Keith, right?
I thought it was Rowan's car. You're not going to get in the middle of that one? Rowan, we're on your side. You need it. Tell Grandpa I want to drive this to school. I'm cool. I need a car that makes me look even cooler.
Yeah, that's the one getting the blower, right?
We're not talking about that. They're working that out in Canada right now as we speak. So we're not going to paint the aluminum heads
Or the intake.
or the intake, or we're going to decide what we're going to do with the valve covers later.
Yeah. I thought the plan
Oh,
was-
you know what I got?
What do you got?
Check this out. See that? You know what that is?
It's plastic.
That's a sample of what the chrome looks like.
No way.
Yeah.
Wow.
Looks good.
That looks real good.
So
I thought we were going to sample something. We didn't make it that
we
far.
are. We're we want to be good at it.
Yes.
It's not as easy as like I thought. So what we're going to show, when we show the Midas touch happening,
Yeah.
you know how I do edits.
Yes.
I don't.
No.
So I don't want to show a
You would
oops.
rather delete the whole video than
Yeah.
edit it.
And I don't even do that because it's like I took the effort to take the video. It is what it is. Okay, so Canadian Keith is becoming, and we're not going to do the whole sparkly
Right,
high
it's gonna
flake,
be the same
whatever.
color without all the flake.
So this is gonna be Brandywine, House of Color Brandywine. Expensive. So that'll be cool. And then next, put Santa's motor together.
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna go get the flex plate. He already had the torque converter.
Right.
The theory is that the torque converter came for that 700 on Friday.
Well, we don't know where it's at.
Well, FedEx shipped
Oh,
it.
I bet it went to
The other house.
it went
FedEx.
to east instead
FedEx.
of west or west east.
FedEx.
Yes.
If you can avoid shipping FedEx, especially if it's coming towards us, please do that. So this is actually the motor and trans we bought from that Camaro, and we're going to put it in the blue T bucket up in the other building. But we got to get rid of. I'm just trying to clean up my parts. Oh, the project has been moved, but it's still my project though, so I'm kind of happy for that. So I did put the 34 front end on it so we can see that, and put the tires and wheels on it so it can move around. Got a pile of stuff from Santa, so some of it goes to him and some of it's just kind of random. I gave him a little bit for it, and I don't call Josh. We got some T-bucket parts if you're looking for any. This is ready to ship, and I don't remember whose name goes. It is. It goes to Arizona, I believe, but we're waiting for the shipper. So this is a 34 chassis that Gibby put together last week. So no oil. It's always good to mark that when there's no oil. But this is our 34 triangulated rear end, 4-bar parallel 4-bar front end, cross steer with a Vega box.
What's that?
Disc brakes in the front, and he wanted drum brakes in the back. So most of the time we do disc, but he just wanted drums in the back, so that's what he got. So this one's ready to go home. And actually, so is this one. It's our Model A. It's a flat floor Model A, so it fits on a Model A frame. But it is suicide doors on it, something we don't normally do. But on this one, the customer wanted suicide doors, and the way the doors are, it wasn't that much bigger of a deal, so we just did them that way. All right, so you got some primer on the bottom.
Primer on the bottom.
We're gonna paint this one now. We got the interior for it. It's an A-rod, you can see it, frame rails drop in. So that'll be painted color of the car, and then the whole bottom here, later on today, is going to be
Truck bed liner.
truck bed liner, which we really like that.
Yeah. We'll let the primer dry, flip the paper over, blast that. Tomorrow we flip the car back over,
Yep.
work on the other side. After
Well,
we
very
tape
good.
off the black truck bed liner.
Yep, it'll be good.
I'm gonna hold it the same.
Hang them high. So we're not gonna take it apart, we're just gonna mask it off, paint it all together. Not gonna put a chrome pan under it, not gonna put a chrome pan under it.
Yeah, we'll find.
They always have a tendency to leak anyway. So you're just gonna paint it all,
Yes, sir.
not the heads.
Paint the intake and the head. And the spark plug.
We gotta pull it off,
Oh yeah, the bouncer's gotta come off.
yeah. We'll put aluminum,
Bouncer?
no, paint that, we'll put aluminum water
Oh, you
pump
do
on.
want this painted?
Yeah,
Okay. Gibby said we weren't painting it. I thought you said you did want to paint it.
well, you can get in there and paint that, can't you? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you're worried about. I mean, why not just paint it all, well, the only thing is I won't get no paint under that. I'd have to turn that to get paint under the harmonic bouncer under that tab. So the best thing to do would be to pull it. And I can hang it up and paint it all the way around.
No, the pulley is going to cover the entire face. That'll be fine.
See, okay, there's a black spot on this.
Yeah, that'll be fine. All right. So she's about to be, what do we got? We got a candy red and we got a
Brandywine candy.
brandy wine. All right, I just talked to Santa to see what he had, what we couldn't find and what have you. He said it had a whole serpentine set up on this thing.
Well, he didn't bring it.
No, he's gonna look at, see what he's got. So I like them valve covers, old school looking.
Old school looking.
Yeah. So getting them lined up. Ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
And then, oh no, he was talking about a blower, but no blower. His wife was kind of like the no blower. We had a conversation when we were here. So we're going, but he's finishing up the
Intake.
the high rod
For the
intake.
dual quads, right?
The dual quads. The carburetors are here.
Yes.
He mentioned about we need a flex plate. I said, it's already, Gibby's installing it while I'm over here. And crazy, those nuts and bolts were almost as much as the flex plate. But you got to have the right ones. You
got
can't.
to,
You
yeah.
got to have the right ones.
Yeah.
You can see there's no room in there, and that's not an option. You have to have
Yep.
the ones for that. Getting close.
Yeah. Do we got torque? Does he have the torque converter bolts over there by any chance? Do you know?
I don't know. Have to look for that. Hopefully we do got them. But supposedly that all the stuff is here, but it needs a short water pump. On the T-bucket, it just needs a short water pump, and there's not enough room for serpentine stuff. So if you get a Blue Point motor, quality product. I like Blue Point a lot.
Oh, I do too.
I don't know if their salespeople are good at supersizing, but a lot of people get that serpentine setup because it looks good, but it just doesn't work in a T-bucket. They got one, I think one size fits all, so you can put the AC compressor on it and the alternator and all that, but it don't fit. So anyway, we're gonna get him aluminum short water pump. Need to have a short water pump.
Yep. Yeah, with our T-bucket, I mean, we don't have power steering or AC, so we just
No, you
run
don't
our
need-
alternator down here,
Exactly.
out of the way.
Exactly. So you can bolt all this together and
Yep.
we'll put it together. Where'd Dave go?
Chili got him.
Chili got him. Chili got
Do I need to
Dave.
say more?
Oh no. Well, my granddaughter's got a basketball game.
Another one?
Yeah, well, got late to the other one. Actually, I went home and I didn't feel good, so I didn't even go.
So that's two you've missed.
Oh, one I was working, and the second
here
one,
comes
and the
Chili
second
boy.
one, yeah, the second one I got there and I just told my wife, I was like, man, I felt horrible all day.
So what are you going to do tonight then? What's your story tonight? Come on, tell me.
No, I got to go. I'm feeling good. I like the weather's good. We're gonna go. Chili didn't get me. Let's get on Dave. I better get on
Thank you
Dave.
very
Tell
much.
Ann, yeah. How
Very
did?
delicious.
Did you-
It was the hot dog that got me, not the chili.
Oh, okay. Well, I've got to leave here pretty soon. So you're getting somebody? Is this Canadian Keith or this
CK.
T-Rex or who's this?
CK, Canadian Keith.
Canadian Keith.
So I
All
got
right.
all his stuff in there. I think I'm trying to overstep my needs.
So you got lots of stuff hung up here.
Lots of stuff. This is all Canadian Keith. Here up.
Oh, okay.
And then from here back will be T-Rex.
Okay.
And then what I'll do is I'll just take a piece of paper, wrap this or hang plastic on that and that when I paint that. But we'll epoxy it all, paint it all,
Get it all painted.
and we'll have a full paint booth tomorrow.
Well, that'd be good because then we get a lot of random parts off the floor. And
So you'll have all stuff for assembly.
And then you're going to get the bed liner and the other
I'm
one.
doing that right now. I'm getting ready to go back here.
Well, if you want to see how that happens, I'm sure we've showed it before.
I'm gonna run my 120 on there, knock my overspray off of that.
So it's
Take
been
that
prepped.
off. And that insert in the middle will be
Yeah. Where you
black.
see it primered, that's where it's going to be painted.
Yeah.
And inside of the primer, it's going to be all.
We got this done earlier. It's all ready to rock and roll. Looks good.
Yep.
It'll take a few seconds to knock her down, tape it up.
And then we're not going to prime in here. That stuff's going to stick. You've
Truck
sanded
bed
it with.
liner sticks to anything you sand.
Yeah, you sand it with 120,
I've sanded 120 and 80. So
and it's
You know, when they
hopefully
do-
the other direction.
when they do truck bed liners, I think they use a real chorus on your bed of your truck when they put that on. So
Probably.
you could probably go over that stuff with 40 grit. It's so
40
thick.
grit. You're falling in love with 40.
I'm starting to like it. Certain
Okay.
areas. certain
right.
areas.
You look cold. You want to come by the house and get some more logs?
I am going to, yes.
Oh yeah.
As soon as I
Okay.
get my trailer back.
All right. Very good.
My trailer, my four-wheeler's on my trailer, and Daryl's got that, supposed to be working on it. I need to call him and find out what's going on. But yeah, I'm gonna come over and get some more wood. I got a big area. I'll just keep piling it up because I'll use it this year. I'll use it next year. Then it can season over the summer.
It can season.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Did we tell them anything today? Anything valuable?
Well, you know,
You got some tips today?
it's Monday, and yeah, stay warm.
They were. We're going to.
Canadian Keith, you sent this northern Canadian draft down to us. Take it back.
Take it back. Tomorrow, use the. I traded that gun back in.
Yes, you did.
So let's use that gun, the new one.
Well, I left it all wrapped up. We're gonna do a little deal tomorrow.
We'll do
we
a
got
deal.
two, so we got one for clear and one for color.
Well, they're both 1.4s. I like to do 1.7s on the clear. Kind of jumps it out a little more. But
Well, we'll use what we got.
we'll use what we got.
See what we got. We can always change the tip, can't we? Maybe it comes with another tip.
No,
I don't.
no. But we'll figure it out tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right.
Tomorrow's another day.
So yeah, there you go.
Good
Hey,
night.
hey, Gibby. It's your turn. Say good night, Gibby.
Good night, Gibby.